This might be the best battery smartphone you haven't heard about yet. I'm Wilkin from Motorola, and let's unbox the brand new Moto G06 Power, and let's see what it's all about. Right on top, we've got the phone itself, the Moto G06 Power. I'll set that aside for just a second. In the box, you also find the paperwork, SIM ejection tool, USB-C charging cable, and a case, which is always great to have included. First impressions, the Moto G06 Power feels solid in the hand, but still lightweight for a device with such a huge battery. On the back, you'll notice the 50 megapixel camera system. On the front, you've got a 6.9 inch HD Plus display with a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Let's power it up. It runs Android 15 out of the box, giving you a clean, easy to use experience that's optimized for performance. The star of the show here is a 7,000 mAh battery, which will last for up to 62 hours. Inside, it's powered by the MediaTek Helio G81 Extreme processor with 4 GB of RAM, so you're covered for everyday apps, streaming, and social media. You're also getting a fingerprint sensor for quick unlocking, and yes, a 3.5mm headphone jack for wired audio fans out there. So that's the unboxing and initial hands-on with the Moto G06 Power. Honestly, it's looking like one of the strongest budget-friendly options if battery life is your #1 priority. Let me know what you'd like me to test next. Maybe a full battery draining test, camera samples, or performance reviews. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't miss what's coming next from us.
Hello, Moto.